Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to download Sora 2 on Android. Let's get started. First, check if it's available in your region. Go to your Google Play Store and search for Sora by OpenAI. According to the multiple sources, Sora 2 has just started rolling out on Android in selected countries like US, Canada, Japan, South Korea, Taiwan, Thailand, and Vietnam. If you can't find it in your Play Store, it's not likely available in your region yet. Sora is listed, and if you're eligible, you can tap Install or pre-register. And once installed, open the app and sign in with your OpenAI or ChatGPT account. And you need to avoid the fake APKs. Fake Sora 2 APK files are circulating online. Do not download them. These can contain a malware or try to steal your OpenAI login info. Only use trusted sources like Google Play Store when it becomes available to you. You can use the web version instead. Go to the Sora2.io in your web browser to try Sora 2 without the app. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.